Hello everyone. Today we're gonna see how to invest on Trade Republic. Investing in the S&P 500 in Trade Republic is a great way to gain exposure to the 500 largest companies in the US. Since you can't buy the index directly, the best way to invest is it through an exchange-traded fund or ETF. Firstly, Trade Republic offers multiple S&P 500 ETFs. Just open the Trade Republic app and go to the search bar, then type S&P 500 or the specific ETF ticker. Just select the ETF you want to invest and place a buy order. Just click on Review Order. This will take you to the order confirmation screen. Now enter your order details. By default, it's set to a market order, which executes at the best available price. And select number of shares. Choose how many ETF shares you want to buy. Just click Buy Now to finalize your purchase. After purchasing, the ETF will appear in your portfolio on Trade Republic. You can monitor its performance and check its value over time. And that's it. You've successfully invested in the S&P 500 ETF through Trade Republic. If you'd like to find more help about setting up automated investing or dividend reinvestment strategies, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.